Today I am going to tell you about different types of angles. What are different types of angles? How do we call them in Telugu and English? Let us see first one, acute angle. Okay, when we have like this any angle, what we call it? Acute angle. And acute angle will be less than 90 degrees, more than 0 degrees. So if this is an x degrees, always that angle will be more than 0 degrees and less than 90 degrees. So whenever you see this type of angle, we call it as acute angle. We call it as acute angle. తెలుగులో ఏమంటాం acute angle ని? లఘు కోణము. లఘు కోణము. లఘు అంటే తక్కువ. సో 0 degrees కంటే ఎక్కువగా 90 degrees కంటే తక్కువగా ఉంటే ఆ కోణాన్ని లఘు కోణము అంటాం. లేదా అల్ప కోణము. అల్ప అన్న లఘు అన్న తక్కువ అని అర్థం వస్తుంది. లఘు కోణము లేదా అల్ప కోణము. నెక్స్ట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ యాంగిల్ we have, you all are aware of it, you all know about this angle. This is this type of angle. When you see this type of angle, this is what? లంబ కోణము తెలుగులో, ఇంగ్లీష్లో రైట్ యాంగిల్. An angle which is exactly equal to 90 degrees. If angle is exactly equal to 90 degrees, if angle is exactly equal to 90 degrees, what we call it? Right angle in English. రైట్ యాంగిల్. తెలుగులో ఏమంటాం? లంబ కోణము. లంబ కోణము. Okay, this is about first two angles. Now next angle. Suppose if you have any angle in this way, how? This is one arm and this is another arm. You can observe clearly that is more than 90 and less than 180. If an angle is greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees, what we call in English? Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. తెలుగులో ఏమంటాం? గురు కోణము. గురు కోణము లేదా అధిక కోణము. అధిక అంటే ఏంటి? ఎక్కువ. గురు కోణము లేదా అధిక కోణము అంటాం. అలాగే నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ వి హ్యావ్, like this, a straight line. So whenever we have like this, where is angle on this? At somewhere like this point. Okay, this is what half circle. When you have like this half rotation, when you do, we call it as straight angle. In English, what we call? Straight angle. Straight angle. Straight angle is how much? Straight angle is equal to exactly 180 degrees. Straight angle will be equal to exactly 180 degrees. తెలుగులో ఏమంటాం దీన్ని? సరళ కోణము. సరళ కోణము. This is about గురు కోణము obtuse angle adhika konamu, straight angle 180 degrees, we call it in Telugu sarala konamu. Next angle we will have like this, and here you can observe from outside it will be there like this. It will be more than 180 degrees. It is more than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees. When an angle is more than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees, we call it as a reflex angle. Reflex angle. తెలుగులో ఏమంటాం? పరావర్తన కోణము. పరావర్తన కోణము. రిఫ్లెక్స్ అంటే పరావర్తనము. సో పరావర్తన కోణము. And last one we have complete angle. If a ray makes complete rotation, if it completes one rotation, then we call it as complete angle. From here to here, complete angle means how many degrees it will make. Here x will be equal to exactly 360 degrees. If an angle is equal to exactly 360 degrees, we call it as complete angle. Then in Telugu what we call? Purti konamu. Purti, complete means what? Purti. So Purti konamu. Purti konam ఎంత ఉంటుంది? 360 degrees ఉంటుంది exactly. What is the complete angle? How much it will be? 360 degrees. So this is about angles. In the next video we will discuss about what are the different types of angles we have. These are what if it is 0 degrees, what we call 0 degrees to 90 degrees, what we call. Okay, next 90 to 180, what we call. Exactly 90 watt, exactly 180 watt, exactly 360 watt. These we have seen. Tomorrow different types of pairs of angles. Different types of pairs of angles. Okay, వివిధ రకాల జతల కోణాల జతలు. నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో వివిధ రకాల జతలు చూద్దాం. కోణాల జతలు ఎలా ఉంటాయో చూద్దాం.